Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. Thank you for your question, Dean. And that question is, Screed to fall from 90 mil to 0, and is that possible? It is with a single product, so you can do it with a single product. So you could do it with a modified sand and cement or a traditional sand and cement. What it would involve would be what they actually call a toe at the bottom end. So what you can't do is you can't on the surface have 90 to 0. Certainly, there isn't a product on the market that will go down from 90 to 0 by itself. But what you can do is you could to just use one material. So you can use multiple materials. So you could use two different materials to achieve that. But what you could do is you could actually cut what they call a toe into the screed. So effectively, into the floor. So effectively, you've got your finish level there. You would actually cut in and take the screed underneath. So it may be that you've got concrete and you need to actually take some of the concrete out. So you're still maintaining the minimum thicknesses that you can get with some products. So really, modified sand and cement, you can get products that you can start around 10 mil. So you could go 10 mil to 90. But it might just mean at the 0 end, you need to just cut a little toe into the concrete. So effectively, it's got its depth, it's bonded. There's no issues regarding that it's too thin and it's going to start to break up. But the actual finish runs down to the point that you need to meet. So as we say, cutting an actual toe. Now, it's not necessarily going to be the easiest of things, potentially. If you know that you're going to do that, you could maybe form it in the concrete. If you've just got the concrete, you may have to look at potentially planing and taking it down, grinding it down, which can take some effort. But it is possible. Otherwise, if you're not doing that, you may have to build something up at the bottom end. So if you're looking at the kind of 0 end, you may need to look to build something up. Now, what you've got to remember as well, when you're down at the 0 end, it's pretty much just exclusively smoothing compounds that are down at the 0 end. So smoothing compounds naturally don't want to run to falls at all. So yes, it's possible. It can be done. It may take a couple of products to do it, or maybe you can do it in a single product, but you cut in a toe or planing a toe into the substrate. So I hope that helps. I'm sure it gives you more questions, which I'd be happy to assist and to help you with. Thank you very much, Dean.